Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Rizkyana Faturahma. In this time, I want to explain about brand image and talk show. Okay, let's go to the explanation. For the first material, I want to explain about brand image. The definition of brand. American Marketing Association, brand is a name, term, sign, symbol, or design, or a combination of them, which aim to identify a good or service produced by the manufacturer and serve as a differentiator from its competitor. By Kotler and Keller. The brand represents the perception and feeling of consumer toward a product and the performance of the product and what is meaningful to consumer. Meanwhile, branding is a collection of communication activities carried out by a company or person in the process of building and raising a brand. By Amalia A. Maulana. Next, personal branding. Freddie Rancuti explained that personal branding is a process to enter the market to sell yourself as a brand in order to achieve success. Personal branding is a process that must be carried out continuously so as to create masterpiece whose benefit can be felt by creator in this world. Peter Montaya explained that personal branding is a personal identifier that can generate perception in the mind of the audience, namely regarding the value and qualities and carried out by owner of that name. Successful personal branding requires the perception of effectively managing and controlling and influencing how others perceive you and think of you. The definition of personal branding in the literature is a perception or emotion that is kept in good condition by oneself and no one else. A reflection on who we are and what we believe, and is expressed by what we do and how we do it. Influencing how others see you. About others people, view of the value that you have. Creating expectation and association in the mind of the target audience. A picture of yourself that is desired in all activities carried out. Next, there are 3 important reasons to building personal branding. 1. Transform people. It will make it easier for you to shelf yourself and your skill. Second, recognition from others. You need to be recognized for the particular field you are in. The third, other people use the service or products you sell. If you sell yourself, your skill or your service, make sure other people will use your service. Next, the advantage of having a strong personal brand. Stimulates meaningful perception of one's own values and qualities. Telling others who we are, what we do, and makes us different. How we create value for them and what they expect when they deal with us. Influence others about our perception. Making potential customers see us as the only solution to their problems. Putting ourselves above the competition and making us unique and better than our competition in the business world. Next, the factor influencing personal branding. 1. Passion. Passion is related to passion in a field or activity that you are passionate about. Passion is important because before you build a personal brand, you have to think extra hard. Second, craftsmanship or quality. If you want to strong personal branding, you absolutely need skill or quality and unique. Third, integrity. In general, integrity is defined as the unity of thought, word, and deeds. Henry Cloud explained that when talking about integrity, it is about being a complete and integrated person. Next, there are three effective ways to build personal branding. 1. Create a blog. Blog help you be known by people much more easily. Second, join people who have strong personal branding. Find people who are struggling in the same field but already have strong personal branding. Ask them to include you in their management or their team. Third, create a book. Book can be good suggestion for building personal branding. Next, strategy to build personal image. 1. Know yourself better. Second, determine what kind of brand you want to present. Third, live your daily life consistently with the brand image. Fourth, doing introspection whether the brand has been displayed properly or not. Next, there are four dimensions in personal brand image. 1. Functional dimension. What is your function for yourself and others? Second, mental dimension. What can you give to help transform others into a better direction? Third, social dimension. How do you relate and position yourself with others people? Fourth, spiritual dimension. What you can do for the welfare of many people. Okay, next for the second material about talk show. Definition of talk show. A talk show is a type of television or radio show in the form of a discussion or conversation between the host or show guide and a person or group of guests discussing a particular topic. Talk show is also interpreted as a form of performance containing conversation of a number of people contained in electronic media such as television, radio, or in audiovisual form on YouTube. Not only broadcast live or on air, talk shows are also broadcast indirectly or off air in the form of debates, discussion, workshop, or seminar in hall or hotels. Next, definition of talk show. According to expert, Farlex explained that talk show is a television or radio show in which not people like us authorities in particular field participate in discussion or an interview and often answer questions from audience. Morrison explained that talk show or conversation is a program that display one or several people to discuss a certain topic presented by the host. Next, characteristic of a talk show. 1. Use simple conversation in universal language. Second, the topic issue or theme raised is very important or considered important for the general public to know or it less interesting for the audience. Third, the discussion Third, the discourse presented in the form of topics that are currently developing in society. Next, purpose of the talk show. To ascertain in the fact of the topic and are currently being discussed among the public through questions given by the presenter to the speaker. To obtain opinion of to obtain opinion or opinions that are representative from research who are expert on the topics raised. To explore the point of view of the church on the issue being discussed. Next, talk show concept. In essence, talk show provide entertainment for the public as well as knowledge and understanding of information from them about the threat of topic or issue that are being circulated or are hotly discussed. Everything related to the topic of the research person must be considered starting from the character, diction, gesture, intonation, and tone of voice of the research person. The research person must be able to choose a diction when speaking so that the audience or listener do not misinterpret the intent of the speaker's thought. Next, an example of a talk show in Indonesia. 1. Mata Najwa. The talk show program hosted by Najwa Shihab often raise issues that are hotly discussed by netizens. The figure of Najwa, who is brave and straightforward in asking questions to the phenomenal church, is the allure of this talk show. 2. Kick Andy. The talk show program hosted by Andy F. Noya. Andy F. Noya is a talk show that must present search who inspire their finding or search who have a positive contribute to society. Okay, that's all my explanation. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.